What's up, everybody? This is my first vlog, and so where I'm going today is the Otukaikino, and I'm sorry if I can't say it properly, but I thought I'd get out and about and enjoy life and the nature, And this is one of the first places I went to where I said like a couple of times I forgot what fresh air feels like, and um, I've been stuck at home for quite a while now, and I'm just sick of staying at home all the time. And I just want to get out and about and enjoy life, in this beautiful weather today, and it's looking wonderful. I can hear the birds tweet, so awesome. We've arrived at our destination, and we kind of got lost, so we ended up at the Waimak River, but we finally made it, so let's get it. And this location here is where I I said I forgot what fresh air feels like. Well, in this location right here, like I really forgot what fresh air feels like, and I realised how amazing fresh air can be, and it's very good for your health and well-being and all that sort of shit. But, you just hear the nice, amazing birds and shit, and that's like one of the best feelings in the world, I guess. And, and we're about to come up to a bridge. I'm just going to find a spot and park up, and it'll be on that bridge, and you get to see that little stream or little pond. So yeah. So this will be where I park up for most of the video, and I hope you are enjoying it so far. I'm a little bit breathless because I wanted to enjoy the fresh air a bit better, even though it's easier to have the brew machine on. But sometimes it's good to not rely on the brew machine too much. Instead of, I'd rather have the natural, air, if you know what I mean. Look how amazing this is. I would stay here forever if I could. But man, it's a nice sunny day. we're back for some more, eh? But ever since I started meditating about 3 years ago, well, I think it's 4. Well, I'm enjoying my time so far, you know, connecting with all the birds out there. Yeah. But yeah, I was going to go all the way around, but since my chair, what happened was that it was plugged in, but the charger wasn't plugged into the wall. So that was that sort of messed with my plans a little bit. But with me, I don't let things get in my way. I just, I find solutions, like I was saying before. But I have to adapt to every struggle, every new struggle that comes my way. And yeah, just want to be my better self, and you know, but I have been a little bit slick on my meditation, but I've been getting better at that because yeah, when someone close to me is teaching me that, just to up my vibrations. So with the and all that, I know you're gonna have really good breathing, but I still give it a try, because in a way that can help me balance my breathing out a bit better and just help with my vibrations and try and find that peace. Like you know, we all we're all seeking for peace, but sometimes we just don't know how to go that direction to finding that peace. But you know, we're just going to find out in ourselves. And there's a question someone asked me is, who are you? And I still can't answer that question. But the listeners, who are you? Like, tell me. I'm not talking about I'm a rapper, right? But I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about your inner self of who are you. And the thing about with the spiritual stuff, it's helped me become a better rapper and help my creativity and all my confidence and stuff like that. I know, lately I have been putting on a bit of an ego, and that sort of goes against the whole idea of why I'm doing it. So, like, I also use that ego as a tool, but sometimes eventually it don't feel right, and it can also burn you up inside. And I also got a song called My Soul Was on Fire or something like that. That's what's going to be on the next album. That's a bit of a country songs. Yeah, and yeah, I've just got a different outlook in life now. So now we're about to go walk and talk and get back to the van. I mean, for me, it'd be drive, not walk. So, it's good to have a bit of a banter about the situation you're in. Like, yeah, I've got weak muscles, but I can still feel my dick. Oh man, what I was saying about the music, to me, sometimes, meditation, with the white, is, for the yin and yang symbol, for the darkness, the dark side of my life, that's where I put all my frustration into my music, and then with the white is where like with the meditation sort of stuff, sort of like gets rid of all that and then it puts a bit of a balance in both of those worlds, you know, because we've all got a dark side and a good side, you know, but we're not all perfect. You know, like it's all about the balance, you know. And if we don't have a balance, we're going to be one of those things. We're going to be angry and depressed, or we're going to be uplifted and happy and take care of ourselves and our life. You know, we're just going to keep doing what we do. Yeah, keep pushing because if you don't put your effort into stuff, there's just no point in doing whatever you want to do. That's where you just got to find your passion. Because if you don't find your passion, then you really nothing really. So you know, like I really appreciate you guys for watching this vlog, you know. But the next one will, I promise, there'll be a bit more, you know, more footage than that. This is just to try and see where it goes, you know. So yeah, we're gonna start from somewhere. So this is my beginning of something great and inspiring, and you're gonna see it. I'm gonna take the world and spread it with positivity.